Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of June 12th through the 18th in my social media planner using the Spring Cottage Deco Kit by SweetTPlans. And I've actually, I don't think I've used, I might have, but I can't remember if I've used the Deco Kit in my social media spreads before. If I have, I will leave that in the description so you can check it out. But it usually only comes with 2 sheets, which would be these two, and it comes with a sheet of full and like quarter boxes, and then the deco, and then you can add on other items. So you can add on here and add on here. So that's what I did with this one. I love this kit, so I wanted to use it, and then I pulled some washi that I am literally almost out of, but I wanted to use this in the spread. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. If you guys saw last week's I think it was a pretty quick plan with me. It was using just like a regular piece of paper, and it was my cruise week paper that I took with me. And what I'm doing is I don't have it with me right now because I literally just got back. But I have a piece of paper, just regular paper, that I have, and I'm going to attach it to the other side. And the reason I did this was because I wanted to take that paper with me. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in without any more explanation. So usually my pages are out of cardstock and they are double-sided, but for this specific spread, I did it to where it was just a regular piece of computer paper so that I could add everything on it that I needed. So we're going to go ahead and start with our date covers because I feel like that would be the easiest thing to start with. That way we have a basis of the colors here. And I do believe that this Wednesday is not. I was going to say, I did not think it would cover. Sometimes you get lucky and it covers, but most of the time you do not get lucky. There we go. Yes, so I just got back from my cruise and it was very, very, very nice and well deserved, well worth the wait. But unfortunately, I am not going to have another vacation until August, which is okay, because I'm going on another cruise, and it's going to be 1 day longer than the one that I was just on. So be on the lookout for those cruise vlogs, because I did vlog, and I will upload them very soon. Alrighty, so we're going to start with my pod tracking. Let's see, or my Instagram. So 2, 3, 4. I feel like this one would be good for that space. Yes, it is perfectly fine for right there. A little taller, but that's okay. And we will write out the extra. Okay. Perfect. All right. And I'm going to go to this side, and this is going to be where I track my Instagram pods. And I kind of want one of these boxes up here. And I think I'm going to use her because I think she's real pretty. There we go. And I kind of want this cottage to go here as well. That's really nice, actually. I feel like the spread is going to go by real fast because I'm pretty much covered up all the spaces that I need. So I'm going to do a title here too. And maybe a few more boxes. Wow, this went by so fast. I feel like the spread is done. Okay. We can lift that up, I think. Okay, that's nice. Maybe one here. Trying to like use up the boxes, but like they're almost used them all, you know? I think that's all the boxes that I can use, pretty much, because I don't want to make it too overwhelming. So let's, wow, this is like gonna go by so fast. Let's add some deco now and see how that takes us as far as like the spread goes in, words are hard, in decoration. That is it for this week and my social media planner using the SweetTPlans Spring Cottage Deco Kits. This is very different than I thought it would turn out, and I actually really love it. I am very obsessed with the way this spread looks, and it is very spring. I definitely don't think that it's not a spring spread. I just noticed that there is like something here and it is bothering me so bad. Okay, now we're good. If you guys are interested in purchasing from SweetTPlans, I am not on a PR for her. I just buy from her a lot because I really, really love her kits. I will leave all of her information in the description. So if you decide you want to purchase from her, you can, you know, click on that link. Like I said, it's not affiliate. I just really love her stickers. They're amazing and they're so pretty. And I really love her artwork, and she has a lot of Disney kits, so you guys know how much I love Disney kits and how much I always get them. So if you're interested, definitely check out SweetTPlans. If you want to see how I've decorated my dashboard spreads in the past, I have an entire playlist called Social Media 2023, I believe. It'll be in the description box, and I'll also leave it in the cards up here so you can check that out. It will also be linked at the end of the video too. So if you guys are wanting to see how I decorated that, that's a great way to start. I know that a lot of people are interested in seeing how dashboard spreads are created. If you are interested in seeing any of the other content I share, from art prop journal books to polymer clay to different kinds of planner spreads, I have all of those linked in different categories and different playlists down in the description box as well, along with everything else that I already mentioned. thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!